Welcome to this tutorial. The header is one of the most important parts of any website, providing navigation, branding, and quick access to key content. In this video, we'll explore the header in Gridbox and learn how to configure it. The first thing you need to understand about the header is that it is a global element. This means it is shared across your entire website, so any changes you make are automatically reflected on every page where the header is displayed. To start editing the header in Gridbox, simply click on it in the editor, just as you would with any other element. In the Settings panel that opens, you'll see all available header options. As you can see, the header includes the same core settings available for other layout elements, such as sections, rows, and columns. In the Layout settings, you can configure properties such as margin, padding, border, and shadow. The Background settings allow you to customize the header's background and overlay. In the General tab, you'll also find two options that are specific to the header: Layout and Positioning. The Layout option allows you to choose the layout of your header. The classic layout displays the header at the top of the page, which is the standard layout used on most websites. Alternatively, you can select Side Navigation, which places the header on the left side of the page. This layout is ideal for creating websites with a vertical navigation menu and a sidebar-style interface. The Positioning option allows you to choose how the header is positioned on the page. Three modes are available: Default, Absolute, and Fixed. The default position is the standard layout, where the header is placed at the top of the page and occupies its own space in the document flow. This is the most common option for traditional website layouts. The absolute position places the header on top of the page content instead of above it. This is commonly used for modern hero sections, where the header overlays a large background image or video, creating a clean and immersive full-screen design. The fixed position keeps the header attached to the top of the browser window while the user scrolls the page. This allows the navigation to remain visible at all times, providing quick access to menus and improving the overall user experience, especially on long pages. In Gridbox, you are not restricted to predefined header layouts. You can build anything from simple, minimal headers to complex multi-row navigation systems. As you can see in the Page Structure panel, the header follows the standard Gridbox structure, a section containing rows and columns. This means you have access to all the same tools and possibilities as with any other layout block. If you need to change the number of columns, you can do it. If you want to add a new row with columns, you can simply add it. If you need to adjust column widths, you can modify them as well. And most importantly, you are not limited in any way. You can add absolutely any plugin to the header. In other words, you can build absolutely any type of header without limitations. And now, let's move on to the practical part. We're going to build a modern, minimalist header with a blurred background. Before we start, a quick note. We are working only with the header itself. We will not add navigation in this lesson, as it will be covered separately. Let's begin. Open the header settings and set the positioning to fixed. Then, turn off full width. Now, go to the Background tab. Set the background type to color and reduce the opacity to 0.25. Next, add the overlay effect. In the Overlay option, select Blur. Now switch to the Layout tab. Set the top margin to 20 pixels and set left and right margins to 200 pixels. Let's continue with padding. Set top and bottom padding to 10 pixels and add 20 pixels on the left and right. Now enable the border on all sides. Set the border radius to 20 pixels. Finally, adjust the border color opacity to 0.5. This makes it more subtle and perfectly matches the blurred background effect. And that's it. Our minimalist blurred header is ready. The header in Gridbox is not a fixed component. It is a fully flexible layout system. Gridbox gives you complete control over layout, positioning, styling, and structure, allowing you to create anything from simple minimal headers to advanced multi-layer navigation systems. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.